Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel.
A pressure washer or power washer is a high-pressure mechanical sprayer used to remove loose paint, mold, grime, dust, mud, and dirt from surfaces and objects such as buildings, vehicles and concrete surfaces. It uses a narrow, high-pressure jet of hot or cold water to blast dirt free. Because the water is traveling fast, pressure washing is a great way to clean and restore all kinds of surfaces around the exterior of your home. A hot high-pressure washer consists of an electric motor connected with a high-pressure pump, motor pump assembly, and a boiler that heats up.
Number 3 WHOLESUN Joe SPX3000 2030 Max PSI Pressure Washer.
14.5 amp, 1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 psi at initial discharge per CSA internal pressure testing, and 1.76 GPM with nozzle open at minimum pressure of water flow, water inlet pressure, max 0.7 MPa. Tackle a variety of cleaning tasks, homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. With two 0.9L onboard detergent tanks, removable tanks carry and store different types of detergent to simultaneously tackle different cleaning projects. Automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life, at initial discharge per CSA internal pressure testing. Max GPM with nozzle open at minimum pressure, to ensure a fully functioning washer.
Number 2 WholeSun WS3000 Electric Pressure Washer.
3000 psi max, 1600W, 2.4 GMP high pressure cleaner guarantees every efficient cleaning with minimum effort. It not only brings a greater comfort when cleaning all surfaces but also saves valued time, energy and water. Highly recommended for the cleaning tasks of the house and the garden. The 4 nozzles with different pressure is ideal for all types of cleaning tasks. Choose the different nozzles with light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks according to your needs, which can increase cleaning efficiency and making it easier to clean. Corners don't need gasoline or all the noise and fumes that gasoline-powered pressure washers generate. The ergonomic handle and 2 big wheels help you carry this pressure cleaner where you need it. The purpose is to save energy and extend pump life.
Number 1 Dextra 3000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer.
Boasting a powerful 2000W upgraded motor, this electric power washer can generate up to a remarkable 3000 psi and 2.5 GPM of water flow. Its oversized wheels and retractable handle make it effortlessly maneuverable, allowing you to effortlessly roll and move it with ease. This pressure washer is perfect for tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks. The convenient hook on the Dextra electric pressure washer is the perfect place to store your wires and gun. Allow this portable pressure washer to take care of all your outdoor cleaning needs with its total stop system feature that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, and a 35 feet power cord for safe use on all exterior outlets.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.